get into this gorgeous look. But I have one question. Have you ever talked your way out of a speeding ticket? Let me know down below if you did, and how did you succeed in getting out of a speeding ticket? Because I know I can't be the only one who took it as far as I did to get out of a speeding ticket. Because what made me think about this is that I was on my way home earlier and I seen blue lights behind me. Baby, my heart dropped. I was like, God, please no. I don't have time today to be doing anything crazy trying to get out of a speeding ticket. But he flew right past me. Baby, I was like, hallelujah. Y'all just hold y'all horses. And I'm going to tell you what I did to get out of a speeding ticket. Now listen, I am not proud of this moment. I am not. But I want to know, I'm really curious, what are some things that you guys have done to get out of a speeding ticket? Not to give me any ideas because baby, I don't really speed like that anymore. When you speed and get a speeding ticket on your record, baby, the insurance goes through the roof. Like I don't have time to be paying $300-400 a month for car insurance just because I'm trying to speed down the road, speed on the highway. No, ma'am, not me. I haven't had a speeding ticket in years, but you are listening to someone who used to get speeding tickets all the time. I don't know what it was. I just wasn't learning my lesson. It was to the point, baby, I would get a speeding ticket and I would go to court myself. What I used to do, here's some little tips if you do get one. Because lawyers are going to flood your mailbox. Pick me, pick me, pick me. I can help you do this, that, and that. Baby, I used to call all those lawyers and they would say what they were going to say when they went to court. And I would write it down and then I would go to court and say it myself. Yes, judge, can I have this, that, and that? Or could you do this, that, and that? And boom, I got it. Ticket reduced. Ticket thrown out. Da 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 da. You name it, I did it. But the last thing you want to do is just pay that ticket and plead guilty. Absolutely not. But I want to know what you guys have done. Because I'm curious. Because I took it too far. I ain't gonna lie. I took it too far to get out of this speeding ticket, but baby, I'm not the one, the two, or the three to be paying $300-400 a month. Because baby, I'm not trying to lose what I have going on right now. For like the last 7 years, I've been paying $64 a month for a 2015 Jeep Patriot. And last year, I got a 2021 Mercedes-Benz that I only pay $100 a month for. Like, I would be crazy to have that skyrocket double and triple and quadruple in price. No. So, again, I'm going to go ahead and go first. Let you guys know what I did to get out of my speeding ticket about 3 years ago. And you guys leave me a comment down below and let me know your stories and what you did. So, I was trying to hurry up and go home because I had to use the bathroom. That was it. I was speeding because I had to use the bathroom. Not number one, but baby, I had to do number two. So I was speeding. I know I was. Now listen, I have a pretty heavy foot and not all the time I'm doing the speed limit, but this time I was doing a bit too much. I was booking it, if you know what I mean. So I'm driving, I'm booking it because baby, I got to go to the bathroom. Next thing you know, I see blue lights. I'm like, oh my God. I pull over. Okay, so you see how long the hair is. Come about right here to me. Closure. The lace was already cut and pre-plucked. You see the curls. I think this is so gorgeous. Just like pull back a little bit like that. Can't get enough of it. So beautiful. But I'm going to go ahead and do this cute little style that I seen. Okay, because you know this video is about the wig. But listen. Baby, I pulled over and I said, Frank! Yeah, that front is doo-doo in my drawers. Baby, I pooped on myself. And now that I think about it, I'm trying to think, like, did I purposely poop on myself? Or did I just get so nervous that I pooped on myself? Like, I seriously think I'm traumatized from paying high car insurance in my 20s. Like, I can't do that anymore. So poop it was. Girl, I had to get out of that ticket. Don't tell nobody. And now y'all know this beautiful queen y'all see right here then pooped herself. Just to get out of a speeding ticket? Just to save thousands of dollars? Now that I think, like, would I do it again? I don't know. I honestly, I don't think I could do it again because I was so embarrassed. Okay, so let me finish the rest of the story. Tell you the officer's reaction. Okay, so this is for real how it went. Speeding, boom, blue lights, boom, squeeze real hard as he's walking towards my car. Boop, there we go, boom, in my pants, in the car. So I'm instantly embarrassed and shocked that I even did this, but what can I do about it now? I can't even go back in time. So he's like, is there a reason why you were speeding? And I was like, I had to use the bathroom. And then he was just looking at me, like just staring at me. I don't know if he's staring at me because I'm crying. I don't know if he's staring at me because he smell a little something, something. And y'all, he's still just staring at me. So after about like maybe 5-6 seconds of him just staring at me, I'm like, I don't poop my pants. Sounding crazy, looking crazy, smelling crazy. And he's still just looking at me like, I guess like a little disbelief. So I guess I just couldn't stop there. I just had to embarrass myself just a little bit more just to ensure I get out of this speeding ticket. I took my hand and dug in my pants, y'all, and showed this man, I used the bathroom on myself. Y'all, the look on that officer's face he was so disgusted. He just looked at me and said, "You can go." And he slowly turned around and just walked to his car. Like I know I blew his entire day. But I was like maybe a minute away from my apartment. So I just drove home, took a shower, and until this day, well, before I just told thousands of people, I've only told my husband, one of my best friends, and my 2 sisters. That was it. So now y'all know. And now I want to know, what have you done that was over the top to get out of a speeding ticket? Now back to this wig real quick. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished look. It is so cute. It's super soft. Even though it's a closure, you can do so many cute styles with it. It's been pre-plucked. The lace was cut. Like, what more could you ask for? It's so gorgeous. I'm in love with this hair. So you guys, let me know down below what you think about this wig. Did I eat it up or what? All right, I'll talk to you guys in the comments.